Hello, ladies and gents. I hope that everybody is doing good, and I hope that this video finds you in the best of health and spirit. Today, we are going to talk about how can you automate your confirmation process. And basically, this video is going to be only dedicated to people with e-commerce businesses and especially COD business model or cash on delivery business model. So basically, in the cash on delivery business model, this is the normal and the basic confirmation process, or how does it work? Okay, so when you get the order, right, the first thing that you do is that you get the information of that client, and then you call that client so that you can confirm. But the issue with this process is that it is time consuming, and it is also very expensive because you are paying your employees as well as you are giving them commissions, paying the bills of the phone, and many negative sides of this strategy. For this specific reason, we have created the only and the ultimate solution so that you can ultimate or automate this whole process. And also this process can only, can start working by itself without no intervention from your end. All right, so the system or the strategy, it's called order auto confirmer. As the name implies, this strategy will allow you to confirm all the orders that you want in a very efficient way. And this is how it works. As every normal business or e-commerce business, again, this video is only dedicated to people with e-commerce businesses, and especially the COD business model or cash on delivery business model. So basically how it works, right? You get the order here, right? And before we can talk even about this strategy, we have to explain a little bit of, what is eGrow. So basically, eGrow is a platform or a management platform that is created only to people with e-commerce businesses. So it's the number one platform or management platform that is designed from scratch to only e-commerce businesses. So all the features that includes is dedicated to e-commerce businesses. I'm not going to say that eGrow is the number one platform in e-commerce and stuff like this, but the only thing that I'm sure about is that eGrow is the number one management software that is created, firmly and from scratch for e-commerce businesses, because we already know there are many softwares out there, but they are dedicated to literally general stuff, you know what I'm saying, like real estate, e-commerce, and many other sectors. But eGrow is only for e-commerce. That's it. Okay, so, and within eGrow we have a system called WhatsApp automation, and this WhatsApp is mainly created for e-commerce businesses. And we are going to see, as we go within or with this video, we are going to explain how everything works with WhatsApp's eGrow, right? And for now, we are going only to call it WhatsApp, okay? So, as I said before, the strategy called order auto confirmed, right? So what you have to do is that you link your store, whether it is Shopify, WooCommerce, it doesn't matter, right? Because we have all the integrations that you need, right? So the first thing you do is that you link your store to eGrow so that whenever an order comes, it will be redirected automatically to eGrow, right? So whenever an order comes to eGrow, WhatsApp will send an automated message to the number of the client who just bought, right? Like for example, X just bought from you an X product, right? So when he places, or he or she or they places or plays the order, right, an automated message on WhatsApp is going to be sent to them automatically. You don't need to do nothing, right? And the message, you can of course control the message. For example, we have a message here, the sum up of this message is that so basically the purpose of this message is to confirm So this message, it's like a call. So instead of calling the customer to confirm the information, to confirm everything, you send them automatically this message, and you can change it to whatever you want, right? So basically, like, we are telling them that this is this, and you just bought this product from us with this, with this price and this address. Can you confirm that, right? And here you can put buttons, right? A clickable buttons, right? For example, we have buttons here and here and here. So basically you have, or you can edit and change and create the buttons that you want. For example, we can do like confirm and confirm, modify order, right? So if they click on confirm, the order will be confirmed automatically. And why we are using WhatsApp? You may ask, like, why not using the call? Why not using many other software? Why WhatsApp? Well, WhatsApp automation. So basically, the reason behind using, hold on, give me a minute, please. So the reason behind using WhatsApp is that whenever an order comes, it will, like, a message or a WhatsApp message will be sent to them immediately. So here, the customer still remembers you because he just bought the product from you. Because we already know that a lot of e-commerce businesses have this issue with that. Some people, when they bought, a day or 2 days ago, right? When they call them, they don't even recall or remember, making that purchase. You know what I'm saying? So here we solve one of the biggest issues here, which is time, and people just bought from you. That is to say, this to remember who are you and what the purchase. You know. The second thing is that, with WhatsApp, you are given a very, very good user experience because you are giving the people the opportunity to confirm by themselves and immediately, you know? And for example, I just bought a product. I just received a message from WhatsApp telling me, you bought this product with this price and this is your address. Can you confirm? I will only click on confirm, and that's it. The order is confirmed. That is to say, we are making it easier for us and for the customers as well, so that they can purchase immediately and they can, have a very good experience. Because myself, and where I do live, right, when I order something, some from somebody who's using, the cash on delivery business, I ordered, for example, let's say at night, for example, the middle of the night, I just ordered a product. I have to wait until tomorrow so that they can call me and confirm the order. And I believe that this workflow is, sorry, but shit. It's not professional at all. I need to confirm my order immediately since I just bought the product. That means I am interested. Okay? So this is solution, or why you should use WhatsApp number two. The third thing is WhatsApp confirms 24/7. And this is really amazing. I, as I just said many times, I, like myself, I do have time at night a lot. When I'm finished with my family and stuff, I carry my laptop or my phone or something like this, right? So what I do is, go there, I purchase something, right? Like, this is a good product, let me buy it. When I buy it, I have to wait until tomorrow to call me to confirm. But with WhatsApp, whenever you purchase or the customer purchases from your store, they will, a message will be sent to them automatically without no intervention from your end, which is really good because we all know that e-commerce businesses owners or business owners don't have time or that much of time, So this is the process and this is how it works. As we said, whenever an order or a new order is placed or a sale is placed, right, an automated message will be sent to the customer to confirm. And for example, so this is basically just an example, right? You can put here whatever you want. So you can control all this, buttons. So these are buttons, right? So whenever they confirm, a message will be sent to them, telling them that you just confirmed these informations and expect the order or the product tomorrow, or the delivery tomorrow, right? Or if they said not confirmed, the order will be sent to them you can do like, for example, so you can play here, right? You can do like, you can start asking them questions. And again, this is all automated. There is no manual stuff here. All you have to do is set up your workflow from A to Z and then let it work. Okay, and you can change it and edit it anytime you want. Read the data based on it and start enhancing your strategy, right? So as I said, when they click on confirm, on our platform, which is Igro, we have like a pipeline, right? A pipeline that contains, for example, new orders, confirmed orders, canceled orders. And by the way, you can control these pipelines, right? Or your team can control this, and you can, like, name this pipeline whatever you want. Let's pretend that this is confirmation and this is not confirmed and this is canceled, right? Whenever a person clicked on confirm, the order, oh, let's say this is new, right? This is new order, confirmed, not confirmed, canceled, right? Any order, any new order will be here in the new section, right? And when the customer clicks on confirm, it will be immediately goes or jumps to the other pipeline which is confirmed. So the whole process, the whole ecosystem works automatically. You don't need to read the messages and like start moving the orders from here to here to here. No, like the system does this itself. So when you wake up in the morning, right, you can like take your confirmed order and send it to your like shipping company, right? The good part is we have a lot of shipping companies that you can integrate, right, with your business so that any confirmed order, right, if, for example, a person bought from me and it's still in new and then a message was sent to them, they clicked on confirm, right? So the message sent to confirm. And in my automation, I said that whenever an order came to confirmation, it should be moved to or sent to the shipping company. So the whole business is going to work automatically and itself, starting from placing the order until sending the order. So all you have to do here is to watch and scale your business. Okay, I know this is a little bit like confusing, but if you have any question, you can you can put your comments down below in this video, and I'm going to answer all your questions, and you can book a demo with me, right? So with this strategy, our customers at the time being and receiving are receiving like from 80 to 90%, okay, percent of confirmation rate. And we all know this is a very, very golden ratio. We can call this a golden ratio. So if you want these results, go to igru.com, right? And you will find the link down below. And I have a good news for people who are watching this video, right? So people who comes from this video, right? I will give you 9 or 90%, sorry, 90% off on your first month. Okay, so this is a very, very good offer for you all. I give you 90% off in your first month so that you can use the software. And we have literally a lot of things, right? We have video that will explain everything to you, but today we are going to explain to you how to do this workflow from scratch. Let's do it again. So basically in this part, we are going to show the exact practice on how to do the strategy that we just mentioned a few minutes ago. Okay, so basically this is an example of a message that a customer will receive on his or her WhatsApp that contains all the information needed. For example, the address, the city, the price, as well as the buttons. We have the confirm button, when they confirm, as well as the edit order if they want to edit the order. And also we have the cancel the order in case they want to cancel the order. So basically now we are going to show you how can we do that step by step, and I need your full attention right now because this is a little bit complicated. Okay, let's go. First of all, we have to go to integrations first, right? By the way, this is the platform igro.com, right? We go to integration, WhatsApp, and that on your number, we click on that thing right there, then new template, right? So that we can write our messages. So these are the messages that we are going to send to the customer. For example, this one, this chatbot, new, right? Order, keep it in mind, utility, that's the category. And here I have all the information written down so that I cannot waste any of your time. So these are messages. They are hard to copy. Sorry for that. I got it now. Okay. Now moving on to the body. Put the message right here, right? And then these are the values. The values are the thing by which it's like the extracted data that you want. For example, the name, the product, let's put here the address, so these are the data that will be included in the message, the city and the price. Okay, so here is a preview of the message. Now going on to the button, we click on click replay, not call to action. Okay, click replay, not call to action. For example, let's call this one confirm order. Okay, another one. Let's call this one edit order. The third one and the last one. And by the way, this is customizable, so you can do any buttons as you like. Okay, so these are my buttons right now, and this is the preview of the message. Let's save that. Okay, first template is done. Now let's move on to confirm order. Okay, all right, it's copied new template. So basically it's the same process, right? Give it a name here. So basically all of them have the same process, so it's very easy. Name it, right? And when it comes to names, don't use capitalization or space. Here is the message, save, because this is just a confirmation message, like when they confirm, so it doesn't need no buttons. Okay, now moving on to the edit order. Again, same process, new templates, paste it here, utility, name the template. Again, no capitalizations, no unique characters, no space. Okay, same here, save. Now move on to cancel order. All right, we have the cancel order here. Again, same process, template, the message right here, name it, test, shop, book, cancel order. All right, utility. Now we're good to go. So these are the messages that we have at the time being, right? And again, you can edit whatever you want on these templates and create whatever you want. Now they are approved. So you have to wait a little bit so that we can approve. Then now they are approved. Now moving on to automation. Okay, let's automate the whole process. All right. So all we have to do right now is go to automation and use all these automation to work together. Okay, create new automation. So this is where you can create new automations. So new automation right here. Then click on order created, right? So click the plus instant condition. The condition is order stage is new. Okay, save. Then click on the button, action, WhatsApp message, save for next. So is the message that we created. So here is the message that we just created. Okay, here the labels. Okay, here we have to change, change these values or number. Here we are going to put the contact name. Here we have to put the product with variant, order address, order city, as well as the total price. Okay, click save. Here is the automation. It's ready to roll. This is the first one. Save. Okay, let's go back now and create another automation. Order. Okay. Give me a minute. No, we should not. Yeah, it's order. I'm sorry. Messages, new message received. Okay. Let's move on. Instant condition. Body from template. Yeah, respond from template button. Okay, let's move on. Let's see what is it. Here is it. Here it is. Chatbot new order. Confirm order. Quick replay. Next. Moving on. Let's move on. Another condition. Same thing. And here we have to choose. Hold on. What is it? It is chatbot new order. Yeah. Like the template that we created. Okay. Let's add the third one. Again, third condition is respond from template button. So like, these are the actions that will be done when a button is clicked, right? So we are choosing the as you can see, cancel order, quick replay. Okay, we have them right here. So these are the actions that will be done when a button is fired. Okay, first one, order, update order. Okay, new confirm, because like, whenever they click on confirm, the order will be moved on to the confirm stage as we just explained in this video. Okay. Okay, edit stage, same thing to the like, to the edit order, and now the same to not confirm. So we do the same to these um like, template or messages. So whenever somebody clicks on a button, the order will be changed, or that this order will be changed, and we are going to see this live. Okay. Let's here are like, the messages that will they receive when they click on a button, right? So for example, if they click on confirm, they will receive a message contains you just confirmed your order, right? And for example, on the edit, for example, if somebody edits it or requests to edit the order, they will receive a message telling them, like, give us the new updated version of the order so that we can, like, change it for you, right? So here it, our automation is ready to roll right now, and we are going to see it now in action and how it works in action. Okay. So it's live. So both of these, like, automations that we just created are now live. And now we are going to create an order, like, by ourselves, so that we can, let's delete this one first so that it cannot distract us. Okay, now the new orders is empty, so that whenever we place an order, it will show there. For example, let's do Muhammad 8 or Ate, or okay, the city here. So this is a random information, right? The address that's put here, Casablanca or Casa and something, like just random stuff. Let's select this one, add new order. We got it right now. Now we should receive a message on WhatsApp telling us. So basically, this is the new order came. Now we should receive a message on WhatsApp. Boom, boom. These are the information that we just implanted in that order. And now we have the buttons and we have all the data we needed, as we just put all the information on there. Now we need to click on confirm order. Sorry for the word confirm. I'm sorry, but it's confirm, right? So now this confirm should be on the confirmed pipeline. Refresh the page and let the magic happen. Okay, boom. As you can see right here, it's already moved, and this is a message received telling us that we just confirmed the order. As we can see, like, it was moved by itself automatically from stage to another, so that you can do something. Now let's see, cancel the order. So we just canceled the order, and this is the message that, like, sorry that, like, we see you canceling the order and stuff like this. And this is again automated. Now it should not be on confirmed. Now it should be on not confirmed the order, and boom, as you can see, it is moved automatically without even you touching a bit. Now let's see edit order, right? Let's see. Here they are going to tell us to, like, fill in the information needed, or like, the stuff that you want. We send them a test. Now it should be moved on to new. That's how it should be. Okay, our boom. So everything works as planned exactly. Like, we just like, showed you how to create the automation, how to like, how it works, and we just did a showcase tool, everything that has to do with the automation. Again, this is Igro, and you will find the link below in the description or in the first um comment, and whoever comes from that link below will receive a 90% off in their first month. See you there, guys.